Welcome back. Well, equities are holding up for now, at least. Let's figure out what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha, what do you have your eye on?
Well, I'm looking at agriculture commodities because the last 24 hours has seen a very sharp decline come in for this one. So even as we are looking at crude oil prices trading at a 5-month lows, we are looking at multi-month lows for many of these commodities as well. Well, the U.S. yesterday did implement many of those tariff hikes on Mexico and Canada and 20% on China. And China has retaliated with a 15% on various agriculture commodities that are imported from U.S. And the date set for that is 10th of March. Now, China also is in National People Congress meeting right now, and we've seen GDP targets at 5%. That's positive. And China perhaps could be coming out with some retaliatory measures and some stimulus measures as well. And that is what the street will watch out for as statements coming in from this meeting. But I do want to take you through on what we've seen in case of agriculture commodities. And I'll start with cotton. And the U.S. futures have seen the sharpest decline that we've seen in various days, 7% down in the overnight market. And with this decline, the cotton prices are now trading at the lowest since June 2020. Well, U.S. tariffs on agri-trade is the reason for this, and China is a major importer of U.S. cotton is what has led to this price decline. Not just cotton, if you look at the palm oil prices, we've seen 2.5% of decline overnight for this one. And with that, the palm oil prices are now trading at a 1-month lows. Come forward towards corn futures, and this is going to be a major price move to watch out for. We're looking at corn futures trading at a 2-month lows right now, and China has, by the way, announced a 15% levy on corn imports from the U.S. markets there. The other commodity I want your attention on is soybean. We are looking at 2-month lows in sense of prices there as well. And China has struck a 10% tariff on imports of soybean from U.S. and that is the price reaction that we've seen. I mean, on a day-to-day basis, of course, there's a lot of volatility. But when you look at the price trends over the last 4 or 5 trading sessions, you will see that we've seen a decline come in for many of these commodities. So when you look at the wheat prices, we've seen 8% of a decline come in for this one. Palm oil has declined by 6%. A 12% cut is what we've seen in case of sugar prices also. The reason for that is the sell-off that we've seen in crude oil prices has led to decline in sugar and ethanol prices also. And as you can see, cotton is down 5% in last 1 week and corn down by 8.5% as well. So many of these agriculture commodities, especially where you have major trades happening between US and China, have taken a hit.
Okay, all right. Got it. Thank you, Manisha, very much for that update. With that